Tuesdays are for tomahawks. Join us for our 3-course menu for 2, featuring our shareable 35-ounce prime tomahawk, paired with 2 salads, 2 sides, and 2 desserts. Reserve with us or order for curbside pickup and delivery. Tomahawk Tuesday. Reserve or order.
Good now, travelers. So by the time you see this video, it's going to be March, but here I am on New Year's Eve and I am just feeling myself and I'm probably still celebrating. But anyway, let's get into the food. We ordered the tomahawk steak, which was big enough for 2 people, and we topped it with the Diablo shrimp, which were a little spicy. And for our side, we had the sauteed mushrooms and garlic. I was unable to get a video of the wine, but it was delicious. Definitely give this steak a 10. It was perfect. It was seasoned with only salt and pepper, which is exactly how I like my steak, especially when it's a quick cut. As far as the sides, the garlic was a little bit too much, but other than